Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can browse Incognito on Arc Search browser. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. So to get started, first open your Arc Search browser and then tap on the plus icon here. So when you search Incognito, it means the browser won't collect or store your browsing history. This is one of the best ways to keep your search history or your browsing activities private on this Arc Search browser. Now, once your Arc Search browser is open, tap on this plus to launch search. So I'll tap on it and here you can search. However, if I search in this format, my search history will be stored by this app. To search Incognito, you should see two eyes or two symbols of eyes here. Tap on this and this will take you to Incognito, and from now henceforth, whatever you search, the history will not be stored on your browser, or the information will not be collected by this browser. So that's how you can browse Incognito on Arc Search browser. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.